Let's see how you can use ChatGPT for coding help. If you are a programmer or a coder and trying to use ChatGPT, let me show you the things that you can use it for. Now, there are multiple use cases that you can use ChatGPT for your coding. For example, you can ask for explanations, you can ask it to generate code snippets, debug your code, learn the step-by-steps, and many more. So for example, you can write in something as easy as give me an HTML and CSS code for a simple login form. And through this method, you do not need to start over from scratch. If you're building something, for example, a login form, you do not need to code it manually from scratch. You can get a basic layout for the HTML and CSS so that you can work more on it. Other than this, what you can also do, if you're having any issues with your code, you can type in a simple prompt, which may say, here's my code. It's giving me an error. Can you fix it? So once you provide the code, ChatGPT will easily debug and fix what is missing. So these are the similar use cases where you can use ChatGPT in order for you to get help in writing or debugging your code. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.